We just took in a 2004 Fleetwood Revolution 40C. It's a double slide diesel pusher with the 350 Cummins in it. Let's go take a tour. All right, we're gonna start this tour here on the passenger side where it's the most sunny and the most windy. All right, this is let's start out with welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Pedada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and we're gonna give this 04 Revolution a good look. Sorry about all the wind going on. We got 275 ADR 22.5s on the tires, a little bit of spider webs, 0820 coming up. They're a little over 3 years old. You do have a manual door awning on here. There is a little pulley in this slide out tray to open it. And then your main awning is electric, but it's not out because it's too dang windy. Your window awnings, I have them all out except for that one because the little pull is broken, but we'll fix that. You got fuel fill right here. Your first compartment has an outdoor TV with some speakers. This will pull out, and then that top part you can actually angle left or right if you really wanted to. Probably time to replace it, honestly. You got a full pass-through tray right here. And that will go in just like that, and you can't pull that out from the other side. And then you got two other trays. You got a 3-foot on the other side. This one looks like a 4, maybe a 5-foot, and both of those will come out. Got the back of the furnace, back of the fridge, and then overall the compartment doors look really good. It's a little dirty, but these two, I think they did some body work on this prior to us getting it. You can see some slight discoloration on these two doors. So maybe a little bit of body work. It's an 04, it's 20 years old. You gotta expect some damage. Some loud motorcycles. Now that little pole right there is just broken. It can be replaced, so we will do that. We got the same, yeah, 0720 on those tires, so the same. Got 4 of these Interstate batteries, and then 2 of these boys up here. Our battery compartment. Water heater. We got ourselves a 10-gallon in there. Yeah, probably gas and electric. Oh man, getting those is hard. Now this is a side radiator, so you can actually get to the block. Now whoever owned this prior to us has an interesting way. I got the ladder so we can go on the roof. Undo that latch, undo the latch over there, drop that down. Looks like you can also completely remove this, just pull it out and get it out of place. But you can see, well, you can't really see, but generally you can see the block in there, easy access, and then you got your radiator right here. Now, of course, we got to go look at the roof. Let's head on up. See, it's got the crown ceiling. Caulking probably needs to be updated, but overall it looks pretty dang good. It does have, which was an option, little solar charger on that AC, a second AC up top, and then you got a satellite system with a local TV antenna. Decent looking roof. And then that ladder extension does have an area to store right above those slide out trays. You don't have to store it on the actual slide out tray. 2 more window awnings on this side. They do, I didn't mention it, but they got metal covers too, so they'll stay in good condition for a while. Radiator back there. I just had this open, this compartment. You got your 50-amp power cord in there, and I think I broke it when I closed it. So 50-amp power service right behind that door, and we will fix that just to make sure. Yep, same tires over here. Back of the furnace. Exhaust for the washer dryer, the combo unit inside. Got your dump station right here. I did have these compartments open, but I had to shut the slide out. So your first compartment is that slide out tray. That will come out this way. The other compartment is the next slide out tray, which will also come out this way. And then finally, you have a 50.2 gallon propane tank. Look at the size of that thing. Massive. Get in there. Fuel fill right there, looks like. Probably back east for a little amount of time. Now, you got another compartment up here. All your electronics in it. This coach does have some fiberglass cracks. I think probably from water damage. You can see them right here by this driver's side window. And if you zoom in up here, you can kind of see where it probably got in. So it's all sealed up now, but whoever owned this thing prior let that happen, let some water get in. You can see it's de-lammed a little bit, and you got some cracks in that fiberglass. So that's by far the worst part about this coach. You always got to expect some imperfections on 20-year-old RVs, but wait till you see the inside. It's actually quite clean. Now clear coat, a little bit of clear coat on this front little generator cap is going, and then you've got some clear coat up there, right there, that's slowly going, a little bit on the rear cap too. 7500 genset. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this up. Oh, there we go, one hand. I think it had like 3,600 hours on it, and it runs fine, starts up right away. I'll double check the hours once we head inside. Of course, I'm gonna forget to hit those window awnings when I put the slides in, but. All right, so we do have a step cover. Looks like this little metal stuff was added. Got some nice storage there. Some nice storage there. And then the actual other part is the step cover. Get that shut. This is what you see right when you walk in. As you can see, incredibly clean on the inside. A lot different than what you'd expect after looking outside. Now, we'll start up top. Small little storage compartment right here. 6 or 5 disc CD changer right there. Very interesting. But not only that, you have a 6 disc sound down here. So you can have 11 total discs in here if you really want to. They did take out the tube TV. You of course can put a flat screen on here, mount it, make it so you can lift it up and use that storage behind. Sandtrax inverter, level testers, awning control, power control, and that is for the satellite. Another little, small little storage area. Like I said, a step cover does come out so the passenger doesn't fall. You do have a power leg rest that comes out, and they are, I think they're manual seats for the passenger, and driver is, no, passenger does also have power, just like a 6-way power seat on the driver's seat. They're a little worn. They're not terrible, but you see some of the stress wear right there. And same concept with the driver's side. What do we got over here? Heat controls, 3416 hours on that genset. Still starts up just fine. Let me find the key here. We'll get the mileage. Oh, maybe. There we go. Mileage is going to pop up right here. You may not be able to see it. It says 65,487. Allison transmission right here. Exhaust brake, air dump, trip reset. Light controls right there, exhaust, e-brake, regular gauges, does have a backup camera, full auto leveling jacks, your front dash AC. They do have visor for the driver, visor for the passenger. They did disconnect the visor for the middle, so this middle button does nothing. And then right above this screen, you have all your kind of computer system buttons. You can adjust the pedals in and out, generator start, other light, pass, and radio. Pretty standard kind of front cab, but pretty decent overall. All right, let's turn her around. Let's check out the first slide of 2. Your slide out goes right here, all the way down to that corner right there. Houses your jackknife sofa with some storage under, and a massive counter area for your kitchen. We'll start right here at the jackknife. Lift up, pull out, got yourself some extra storage. And then lift up, push down, will give you your sleeping area. Does also have some storage back there and some cup holders. Of course, you're gonna see random parts scattered throughout this coach in random areas. Some nice overhead storage. Solid surface, countertops. No extension or anything, but you almost don't need it because of how deep your storage is, or your countertops are. Older style drawers where you lift up, pull out. They got that little like manual latching in them. I don't think I have the covers for the Corian sink, the dual base sink. Oh, just joking, they are hiding back there. And then you got a central vac system right there. I actually didn't think it had one. I didn't look under the sink. I've never seen them there. Double soap, sponge, soap. My gosh, it looks like it has some type of surround sound system. Shelf needs to be reattached, or you can keep it off and use that for tall storage. Heater, water pump, water heater, and fan. That panel's a little messed up, but it's all inside. And then this is like an access port for Technicians, obviously getting all those slide lines and everything. That all goes back there. 3-burner gas stovetop. No oven, not a problem. Space maker oven up top though. Nice big residential size. And then we do also have right above us is a fantastic fan. It's a little dirty. And it's a double AC, I think I already mentioned that, but a double AC unit. Now, obviously this chair wasn't original. This isn't standard here. It is powered, which is kind of nice, but right now it's not even tied down. So you can put whatever you want here. This chair is actually pretty comfortable though, and it has a perfect viewing angle when you replace the TV. That is an awning control. You got all your light reading material. One thing that's kind of nice are all of these are individual compartments. They're not all connected, so if you have something stored in there, it's not going to be flying around. Let's see if these are the same. They are, so very cool, all three. Now you do have day and night shades. Those are your daytime shades. I don't have any of the nighttime shades up. Let's just pull one of these down. Ooh, that's a little dirty. Nighttime shade. I'm not the biggest fan of these dang paper mache shades pretty much because they do fall apart. They need to be restrung. The purple ones actually look pretty decent, but your nighttime ones, which are always so hard to get with one hand, always are hard to clean. Hard to keep clean and then hard to clean without them falling apart. Booth style dinette did have a table and chairs here originally. They decided to opt for the booth. Nice big storage there. And the one on the left side is even wider. And one thing I haven't pointed out is the flooring in here. Obviously minus those carpets right there. That is the original carpet that they had running throughout this coach. Everywhere that was carpet has been replaced with this kind of hardwood linoleum looking stuff. That is the original tile that was in here. And that goes throughout the bathroom into the bedroom. And then the bedroom is where you start that hardwood again. So really only carpet is on the front and the little bit that's on the corner of the slide and under the couch. That is it. All right, continuing on. Technically, this is a 6-person sleeper. You got 2 on this dinette, 2 on the jackknife coach, sofa, couch, what am I trying to say, coach, and then 2 on the queen bed in the back. We are selling her for, come on, baby, $47,000. I don't know. I got a new gimbal. It's kind of a little wild. So let's just hold this up, make it easier for you guys to read. The model is a 40C floor plan. That is that right there. And then this guy, all your options are on this right side. Everything else standard is right there. And then your specifications, weights, measurements, things like that are right there in the middle column. All right, let's continue on. Let's make it to the bathroom. But before that, Norcold 4-door reefer. Let's see what it does. Ice maker. This is kind of right at the beginning of the hallway. So it is a kind of tight right here. If you are opening it right in front of it, you may hit yourself in the face with a freezer door. Corner shower, split bath. Commodes right here behind this door. All nice solid doors throughout too. China toilet, porcelain toilet, whole bunch of storage, another fantastic fan. And there's an idea of the storage you get in here. You got 3 of those compartments. You know, you got all these compartments to store TP, and they put it up here. Come on. Vanity, the black sink. Right above that, the medicine cabinet. And then right below that, just some extra storage. Oops, let that go. I wonder where that vent goes. It looks just like that one. Maybe it's an extra. Maybe it goes right there. Corner shower. Pretty decent, pretty standard. And then behind here, you got a combo washer dryer. Now you can't put a full stack in here, unfortunately, but you do have some more storage up above. Looks like they got some extra light covers, light halogen lights, and then a filter. And then there is a pocket door for this, for the bedroom, if you want to give yourself a little bit of privacy. But the bed is also on a slide. Follow the fluffy molding there to there. You got a 60 by 80 queen bed back here. And then believe it or not, those cabinets right there were also an option. This thing has a bunch of options, but some of the options are very questionable, like those cabinets. This corner is where the TV did go. It looks like it was set up to where you could pull this out and it pulls out, and then you got your TV right there facing the bed. Obviously it's not there anymore. You will have to update this. I'd probably end up putting a mount in there, having it come out, putting a mount on this wall if you got a backing area, something along those lines. You got 3 of those drawers. You do have a full wall closet in here. Cedar lined. I don't know where that piece of wood goes. Free wood. Wood's expensive these days. And then this always cracks me up. Still got a phone line and a DC input in here with your 2 outlets, but it's currently expanded to 6. These are a little dark. You got some extra little storage cubbies in here. I do have to fix that light, or probably just the bulb. You can see your window awning goes right over that window. Slide control, thermostat, AC. It looks like it does have a heat pump on the AC. I don't know what the heck they hit there. And then you got 6 more drawers. All the countertops in here, all the same solid surfaces. Oh, those are all connected. Of course, the option one, they don't individually set them up. And then that's a water line, or to get to the water line, come here for the shower. And then I think there is some bed or storage under the bed. Oh, I was like, why is this so dang heavy? It has a little catch right there, no wonder. Okay, this side is not a storage compartment, as it rightfully says, but this area is a storage compartment. Now, trying to get this down with one hand, so use the back and push that in. Watch me struggle. All right, so now, that's pretty much the walkthrough. Let me put these slides in, give you an idea how it looks while we are traveling. Really, not much changes except for your walkability. Alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty, our main galley slide is in. As you can see, really, the only thing you lose is just like I said, your walkability. You lose a little bit in the kitchen in terms of the right counter space and these drawers. You can still technically use the oven, still technically use that kind of counter area. Rest of the kitchen, nothing changes. Even tighter. Actually, no, not tighter at all. For the fridge, that stays the same because your slide's right there. Bathroom, nothing changes. You can see I just put up that window awning. Looks like that window's a little fogged. But you lose your walkway. And here, I mean, you could... No, not really. You're gonna have to roll across the bed to get to that closet. But really not too bad. I mean, very, very usable when she's closed up. Let's go take a quick peek from the outside, see how it looks. And I think I did get everything shut correctly the first time. So here is the passenger side, much less of a difference over here than the driver's side. Well, there you guys go. That's an RV walkthrough for you. So as always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Pedada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. If you have any questions on this specific coach or want to inquire about it, you're welcome to reach out to me. I'll put all my contact info on the screen right now. Email, text, whatever's easier for you. We are a Carfax certified dealer, so I can send you a Carfax on this unit, see how many owners and where it lived most of its life. And if you have any suggestions to make these videos better, let me know down in the comments below so I can always improve these videos for you. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. I hope you have a great day.